She's slightly down the taxi.
Hello again everybody, welcome to Palma where the local time is approximately 10 to 11 in the morning. For your safety, please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Now that we have left the runway, you can use your handheld electronic devices to make and receive messages. Before you leave the aeroplane, please do ensure that you do have everything with you. Please take the time to look in the seat pocket, underneath your seat and in the overhead compartments. Please also make sure that when opening the overhead compartments that nothing falls out and injured, as you'll need to look out for the TUI team in the arrivals hall for the next part of your journey. Once again, once the aeroplane has arrived on stand, the cabin crew do have further safety duties, so please do remain seated. Once again, you may have to disembark by row number. Please do make sure you have downloaded the TUI app. This will help you during your stay here in Palma.